And yeah, you're good to go. And now we walk about 5 laps of this. But yeah, just try to stay as far out as possible. So this is what cross-country coaches do. 5,282 feet equals 16 10 meters. And about 100 more of those. Awesome. And honestly, Tony and I don't run on the very edge. If anything, we're running on the outside edge because I'm like pulling him out the entire time.
You're not going to run on the very edge because you run a risk of
slip off.
Slipping and twisting an ankle.
And if all else fails, like we can always come out here and measure it again tomorrow.
Yeah.
Like if bad or whatever. I don't know. These moths are attacking me.
Glad you're holding the light.
Yep.
There's a gnat attacking me in our hotel room. This wonderful conversation is now captured forever.
Right. And now Guinness will be able to embrace it.
Can you see the numbers?
No, I can't see the number. Well, I can personally see the numbers. The video cannot see the numbers. You're at 380.
We need 15?
5282.
5282.
Not yet, not quite. Yeah, we're not even halfway through a lap.
I know.
And we go about 5.
How'd I get roped into this?
Yep. Keep it on. This is such a cool little invention. This makes it so easy. You're gonna have to take measuring tape out here and then somehow use formulas to use formulas to figure out the curves and all the fun stuff. I always hated finding like areas of curves and
me too.
lengths of curves.
But I went
fun stuff. Man, that physics test kicks butt. Kicks major butt. I wish we had a third person.
Yeah.
Because then, once we got to a full lap, like, see how many feet we had, and like, divide that by 5280, or sorry, put 5282 over that, and that would tell us how many laps we would do. Well, I mean, it would be like 4.73, so it just like kind of give us an estimate of like how far we need to go, and give us an estimate of like, okay, we should stop here because we should start it somewhere else. Because if 4.73 would be about like over there or something. Just thinking about math. Yeah, but just getting that physics test out of the way was just literally all I could ask for.
Yeah.
Honestly, do you think that we could like video record this first lap and be like, yeah, we continued this process and we ended over here? Because like we're already at 5 minutes, you know?
Yeah. I think you could probably do that and edit it. Watch your step.
Yep.
Just show the process of measuring it out.
Say what?
Or just show them that we actually do measure. Show the process of how we measure.
Yeah, it's just gonna be a 20-minute video.
Yeah. Unless we just run it. Well, not we. You could just run it. yesterday, Williams,
Yeah.
and I was telling him about this. So how fast is the record? I said, it's 6:52. He said, how fast are they hoping to go? I said, they're hoping to get sub 6. He said, they're going to do sub 6.
It's about 5 laps.
Yep. Yep. Okay, you going to keep videoing?
Yeah, might as well. Do you want to switch?
Yeah,
I can probably go faster.
I can go faster.
Oh, hold on.
It's a nice, easy stroll. It doesn't matter who's doing it. The other one has to keep up with them anyway. Right?
Yeah.
I can do my walk Boaz speed.
There you go. Yeah, you can pull into the entire time.
He's not as bad as he was,
That's right.
but he does like to go fast. For about half a lap at a park. And once it's uphill, he slows down. It's a nice little track.
Yeah. No, yeah, whenever Connie found it, I was like, that's like actually gold. It has a
Yeah.
nice field where people can bring like a lawn chair if they really wanted to, you know?
Social distance.
Yeah. All that good stuff.
Are you going to want me to call out lap time?
No, I mean, you're gonna be an official timekeeper, so honestly, I'll probably have like Will or somebody do it. Just because, I don't know.
I mean, I don't know if you know, if you can judge in your head. I guess you just
For
divide it
5
by
laps.
Yeah, instead of 4 laps.
Yeah, no, I'd probably judge like a pace, like if I wanted to go like, I'd probably do a 5:20 pace, like try to aim for 5:20. That'd be awesome.
Yeah.
And just like divide those times. So like a 5:20 mile would be
So it'd be
320 seconds.
it'd be a minute 4 per lap.
Yeah. 320 seconds, but it's like it's be 64 seconds per lap.
That's what I just said.
I know. 64 seconds per lap, but every lap is about 0.2 miles.
Yeah.
So it's not even like a full 400, you know.
Yeah.
So it's definitely doable.
So what are y'all using the tires over together?
We use a bandana, and it has to be within 20 centimeters between our legs. And so,
As you practice, do you find it tighter is better or looser?
no, looser. We thought tighter was better, but then like looser just like gives us like more leeway to like more room for error,
Yeah, I get that.
which is,
And your legs aren't really rubbing.
yeah, right. You're going to have error. You know, you're gonna get out of sync, especially like whenever we were running the time trial. It was just like, oof. It just kind of got hard a lot of the time.
Did I tell you
Like mentally hard after like the 4th and 5th lap. It's terrible. It was just like mentally excruciating. Where it's like, because you have to stay mentally in it the entire time, like more than any other race.
Daydream out.
Yeah.
Did I tell you about when I picked up the wheel?
With Will.
Yeah, I went down and Will was pacing a girl practicing. He
Yeah.
was running with her. So Nick was there. And I said, hey, Nick. And Will said, hey, the wheels in the as he ran by, the wheels over there.
Yeah.
Nick looked at me like, what? I explained to him what was going on. He goes, they're doing what? I said, they're going to try to set the record for the fastest 3-legged mile. He and Carney are. He goes, that'll be fun to watch. That'd be kind of funny looking. I said,
Yeah. Like we used to have it where like, because it just works better because your hands have to be tied too.
Yeah.
So it just works better if like you're holding hands just to get as close as possible with the hands, so you're just kind of in sync with that.
Yeah.
And
Okay, here is lap 2.
at 20:90, so we're right on pace for